Now, with the rear locks on these 210 era cars, you cannot get these vacuum actuators anymore, and they fail very commonly in that they crack in half where the clips hold them together. They will work in the lock position because that's involving suction, but in the unlock position they will leak and you won't be able to unlock the rear doors. An easy fix for that is to just use zip ties, as you can see there, and yeah, that's a very successful fix. One around the top, one around the bottom, and two on the sides, and tightly hold them together, and problem solved. Driver's door, rest of doors. Lock, driver's door, rest of doors. Now the reason I had the vacuum pump open is because I had to recalibrate it after fixing the leaks, because I have played with it in the past to compensate for those rears leaking. You can only go so far and eventually it fails again. As long as you use good quality zip ties, this I would consider a reasonably permanent fix. I can't see how this would fail again unless these zip ties break.